नवीन सरकार सत्तेचेर आयल्या उपरांत सरकाराच्यो सरकारी समिती बदलतात. प्रमोद सावंताच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल सरकार सत्तेचेर आयल्या उपरांत सभाघराच्या समितीन बदल घडोवन हाडटाना सभाघराच्या कायद्या प्रमाण आमदाराची नेमणूक सभाघर समितीचेर केल्या. सरकाराचें काम प्रामाणीकपणान जावचें हो हेत दवरून सभाघराच्यो समिती वेंचतात. प्रमोद सावंताच्या मुखेलपणा सकयल सरकार सत्तेचेर आयल्या उपरांत गोंय विधानसभेचें हें दुसरें अधिवेशन चालू आसा. स्थगीत दवरिल्ल्या अधिवेशनाची सुरवात 3 फेब्रुवारीच्यान चालू जातले. घडये मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत गोंय राज्याचो अर्थसंकल्प ह्याच अधिवेशनात मांडपाक शकता. त्या प्रमाण मुखेलमंत्र्याचे सरकारी पावंड्याचेर प्रयत्न चालू आसात. गोंय राज्याच्या इतिहासांत पयलेच फावट अर्थसंकल्प समितीची बसका जाल्ल्याचें अजाप समितीचो अध्यक्ष आमदार सरदेसायन उक्तायला. तशेंच बसकेक आयिल्ल्या संबंदीत सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यां कडेन कसली म्हायती नाशिल्ल्यानय अजाप उक्तायला. सरकारी अधिकाऱ्यांक 5 फेब्रुवारीक जावपी दुसरे बसकेन सगळी म्हायती घेवन हजर रावपाचो आदेश दिल्ल्याची म्हायती समितीचो अध्यक्ष आमदार सरदेसायन पत्रकारांक दिल्या. गोंय विधानसभेच्या अर्थसंकल्प समितीच्या बसकेक आमदार विजय सरदेसाय, जोशुआ डिसोजा, आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डो लॉरेन्सो, संबंदीत सरकारी अधिकारी आनी हेर वांगडी हजर आसले.
पोस्ट बजेट रिव्यू. This is the allocation done, where it has been spent, whether utilization is happening or not. So today we have come to know that never in the history in Goa Legislative Assembly was ever a budget committee meeting ever held. So we have started a trend, any which case, because we have been elected by the House. So the government officers who are there, who came, basically gave us this that they are tied up with 15 Finance Commission. And therefore they don't have the information. I asked them simple things, that what is the allocation to all departments, what is the utilization of all departments, whether there is any sanction which is pending, which is already approved in the budget, because finance sends files back saying there is no funds. If the fund was earmarked for that particular purpose, where is the question of rejecting it by finance department? So अशो खंयच्यो केसीस आहा त्यो आमकां सांग. आनी रिअप्रोप्रिएशन जाला काय म्हणून. रिअप्रोप्रिएशन म्हळ्यार कितें, हे डिपार्टमेंटाक पयशे दिल्ले ते ताजे थंय म्हणूंकूच ना, ते काडून थंय म्हणले. अशे कितले केसी जाल्या. दे डोंट हॅव दीस इन्फॉर्मेशन. वी हॅव सेड वी एक्सपेक्ट द बजेट, द न्यू बजेट टू बी प्रेजेंटेड ऑन थर्सडे. सो ऑन वेनसडे, विच इज द 5th, we said we want to have another meeting where we want all this information. Then we have asked whether staff salaries are being paid through loans taken by the government. Loan घेता staff salary फारीक करून. सरकारान नवे recruitment declare केल्ले आहा, 5,000 जॉब दितले म्हणून. Whether a budgetary provision is done for this recruitment, because it's important. 7th pay तांकां लागता. मागीर स्किम्स ज्यो लाडली लक्ष्मी, गृह आधार आहा, ताका कितलें प्रोविजन केलां, आनी वेदर पेंडन्सी आसा आनी डेफिसीट आहा काय म्हणून. मागीर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर projects, big ticket projects which were declared in the last budget in North Goa and South Goa. Give us a list. Whether the contractors are being paid on time. These are questions which we have put to the departments. I have given them specific issues in Fatorda constituency, where budgetary allocation was done by the government in the last budget, but where finance is now saying that they don't have money. Like in the case of the Kabristan, which has now gone to the court. The case of the wholesale fish market. The case of Loya Maidan renovation, which the Honorable Governor took notice of. Case of community farming, where budgetary allocation was done. It was announced as a scheme of the government, and the files are going missing. My own case in Fatorda, the file only has gone missing, it seems. Then there is a parking, a multi-level car parking for G Suda. 2 places in Margao. One in near the Margao municipality, one in near the new SPDA complex opposite. Police quarters in Fatorda, veterinary hospital, western bypass on Steels. The Honorable Chief Minister made an announcement की आपण करतलो म्हणून आपच्या पयशांनी म्हणून. सो आतां ते सरकार, म्हाका हांवें आयकलां की सरकारा कडेन पयशे ना म्हणटात. भारतमाला एक रोड आशिल्लो असोच. सो वी आर बेसिकली वॉन्टिंग द गव्हर्मेंट टू बी अकाउंटेबल. सी ऑल दीस legislative assembly sessions and committees, this should not be perfunctory just for the sake of doing it. just should not be completed as a formality. They should actually be tools to ensure good governance and to ensure accountability of the government. And as a member of the opposition and being given to chair this budget committee, we have asked these questions of the government departments, and we hope that these questions will be answered by 5th.
Possible to table a surplus budget for this work?
I don't know that will be a budget. The function of the budget committee is to make a post-budget review. Pre-budget review is this allowed only for ruling benches. I don't know what the budget is going to be.
So budget
But
will be tabled
I heard that the legislature party, BJP legislature party, discussed the budget yesterday, including changing rules and the budget with the new PDA or the ODPs. That budget is separate also.
So it is presented on